What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your climate control in your 3rd gen 4Runner. It's a pretty easy job, and these are all the tools you need. A Phillips head screwdriver and then maybe some panel pulling tools. But mine, you can see it looks fine, but my AC temperature control kind of has a mind of its own, and it's very hard to get it to stay on cold. I have to jiggle the switch back and forth. And then if I move it one notch, it'll totally mess it up and then start blowing like burning hot air. If I hit a bump, it'll go to the wrong temperature. So I'm really hoping that it is the climate control, because I've heard that's kind of what happens whenever these go bad. So I got this out of a wrecked one on Facebook, and I removed it from that car. So I'm going to show you how to remove yours and replace it. If you have a limited with the digital climate control, or one of the earlier gen 4Runners with the sliders, it still should be a pretty similar process, but you want to make sure everything is out of your center console here, and then you got to pull this up to get it out. And we're going to have to remove this whole plastic thing here, so you just have to grab onto it and pull it up and it'll pop out. And then you'll do the same for the one around here. This is a good opportunity to do some cleaning, and my boot around the transfer case thing here is loose, so I'll try to pop that back in. And let's see, I'll have to remove this as well to get that out of the way. But yeah, once we get that out, we should be able to lift it all up and get in here behind that. So here everything is removed. It's pretty easy. You just lift this up, get your pry tool in between this area right here, pry up, and then you'll just move down here. There's an easy place to grab, and there's an easy place to grab this one. Just be gentle, and it comes out super easy. I don't want to deal with unplugging all this stuff, so I'm just going to work by moving this out of the way. And you can even pull this little lever and then put your car in neutral to get a little bit more room, where we can get in there and access this screw. And then the one on the other side, you'll see, is totally covered by this plastic right here like this. So you have to pull this cover off, which is pretty easy actually. There's just these two clips right here, so just get a screwdriver or pry tool under those, and then pry off this plastic faceplate, and then you'll be able to get all of these screws out, and you'll be able to pull it out, and then all you have is these two plugs in the back to unplug, and then you can swap them out. Once you have it out, it is a good time to check all 3 of your light bulbs and make sure they work behind there. I plugged it in, tested it, and one of them was out. So I replaced one of the bulbs with one of the ones from my old unit, which, to get to the bulbs, you have to take out this screw here, and this screw here, and then this black piece pops off, and then you just grab the little yellow piece of these green lights and twist it, and then they pop out, and then you twist a new one in, and then you just put it right back together. So I'm going to go ahead and reassemble this, and hopefully this fixes the AC issue. So here it is, all put back together, and now the AC works perfectly, and I can actually control it with the temperature dial. So it was awesome. It was worth the 100 bucks I paid for that used one, so I'm very glad that it fixed it. But yep, that is how you replace your climate control in a 3rd gen 4Runner. Please leave a like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Nickjoenap, and I'll see you in the next video.